So Brad's working today, as he has to do most days, so Pepper and I are going to go into Glacier and get some photos this morning. She's going to be my little sidekick for the next couple of hours. Today we are just going to basically do the going to the sun road and just stop at different pullouts and see what photographic opportunities there are. So right now I'm at Lake McDonald, gonna see how the lake and the water look with where the sun is at right now. So wish me luck. So we are here at McDonald Falls. Wow, right? Well, it was hail. I guess turned into rain. Wow. I was just about to walk and get our laundry. Okay, yeah, that's hail. Did you capture that? That's crazy.
Many Glacier.
We've got Swift Current Lake behind us and Grinnell Point, I believe. Is that right?
Yeah, that's the pyramid-shaped one right behind us.
And we're hoping to avoid the rain. It's supposed to thunderstorm here in a few hours, so we're getting in what we can while we can.
We came across this bear poop. Looks fresh. Better keep an eye out. Maggie's making us hike really quick so we can get back before the storm.
So just like that, our time in Glacier has come to an end. We are hitting the road, heading to the Midwest. We're gonna take 5 days to get there just so that Brad can work on the weekdays, and we'll just do a couple hours after he gets off work each night. And it's the first day of our 5-day journey. So we're feeling good, we're feeling fresh, and bye Glacier, you were awesome.
Bye.
Bye-bye.